Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
अँटिक सामानांचे चोरयेचे प्रकरणात तपास करपी वास्को पोलिसांनी पेट्रोलिंगा वेळार चिखले सर्कला कडेन दुबावा वयल्यान तिगांक धरले. तपास केल्या उपरांत तिगूय चोर म्हूण सिद्ध. तांणी चोरी कबूल केली, मात भलतीच. 4 दिसां फाटीं सड्यावेल्या PWD क्वॉर्टर्सांतले गोदावांतल्यान तांणी वॉटर सप्लाय फिटिंगाचे 12,85,000 सामान चोरिल्ले. ते सामान बिर्लांतले एका स्क्रॅप यार्डांत दवरिल्ले. पुलिसांनी ते रिकवर केले. PWDनी ते तांचे सामान म्हूण सांगलां.
चोरी म्हाका दिसता आमकां कळ्ळां की 24 तारखेर जेन्ना आमकां सामान हाडपाक गेल्ले पळय आमी तेन्ना की अशें जालां पूण 1-2 दीस पयलीं चोरी जाल्ली आसूं शकता.
वास्को पुलिसांनी ह्या प्रकरणात नागू गोलार, ऑल्बा राठोड आणि अप्पन्ना राठोड हांकां धरून मुरगांव पुलिसेचे स्वाधीन केले.
Further, they informed that they have kept the said items, material, stolen material, that's one of the scrapyard at Villa. So we took them and we proceeded to the scrapyard and we raided the scrapyard. So where we found all the materials which were stolen by them from the big quarters. So and we managed to recover the said items under our Panchanama and we arrested all the 3 persons under section 41 CRPC. And Marmuga police station has also registered the crime in this regard. So further now we will hand over these culprits, accused persons along with the property to Marmuga police station for further investigation.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.